Hello children, chapter 7 fraction, exercise 7D, question number 1, find the sum. First question is 3 upon 6 add 4 upon 6. Firstly write 3 and 4 are numerator. 3 and 4 are numerators. Okay, and 6 is a common denominator. 6 is the common denominator. Okay, draw the fraction bar. Write 6 as a denominator because it is a common denominator. Find out the sum of the numerator 3 and 4, that is 3 plus 4 equal to 3 plus 4 equal to 7 upon 6. This is the answer. Okay. Next question is 7 upon 8 add 5 upon 8. So then 7 and 5 are numerators and 8 is a common denominator. 8 is a common denominator. Write 8 as a denominator. Sum of the 7 and 5 as a numerator. 7 plus 5 equal to 12 upon 8. Okay. This is the answer. Okay children. Next question 1 upon 8 add 3 upon 16. Children, in this question denominator is not common. In this fraction 8 is a denominator and in this fraction 16 is a denominator. It is not common. So find out the LCM of 8 and 16. Find the LCM of 8 and 16. Two 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, again 2, 2 1s are 2, and write 1. LCM of 8 and 16 is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. The LCM is 16. Children, 16 is a common denominator. Okay, write 16 as a denominator. Write 16, divide by 8, multiply by 1, addition sign. Again write 16, divide by 16, multiply by 3. Solve this numerator. 16 divided by 8, 2, multiply 1, addition sign. 16 divided by 16 equal to 1, multiply 3 upon में 16. 2 multiply 1 equal to 2, add 1 multiply 3 equal to 3 upon 16. 2 plus 3 equal to 5 upon 16. This is the answer. Next question is 3 upon 4 add 2 upon 8. Since in this fractions denominator is not common, so find out the LCM of 4 and 8. Find the LCM of 4 and 8. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 as it is, 2 1s are 2. LCM of 4 and 8 is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. That is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. LCM is 8. Children, 8 is a common denominator. Is a common denominator. Write 8 as a denominator. Again write 8 divided by 4. Multiply by 3. Addition sign. Again write 8 divided by 8. Multiply by 2. 8 divided by 4 equal to 2. Multiply 3. Addition sign. 8 divided by 8 equal to 1. Multiply 2 upon में 8. Okay. 2 multiply 3 equal to 6. Add 1 multiply 2 equal to 2 upon में 8. 6 plus 2 8 upon में 8. Children, 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8. Your answer is 1. Okay. Next question. Firstly, change into improper fraction. It is a mixed fraction. Change into improper fraction. 6 multiply by 2 equal to 12. Add 1. 13 upon 6. Add 3 multiply 3 equal to 9. Add 1. 10 upon 3. In this fractions, denominator is not common. Find out the LCM of 6 and 3. 2 3 is a 6. 3 as it is not divisible by 2. 3 1 is a 3. 3 1 is a 3. LCM of 6 and 3 is 2 multiply 3. That is 6. Children, 6 is a common denominator. Common denominator. Write 6 as a denominator. Again write 6 divided by 6. Multiply by 13. Addition sign. Again write 6 divided by 3. Multiply by 10. Okay. 6 divided by 6. 1. Multiply 13. Add 6 divided by 3. Answer is 2. Multiply 10 upon में 6. 1 multiply 13 equal to 13. Add 2 multiply 10 equal to 20 upon 6. 13 plus 20 equal to 33 upon 6. Children, 33 and 6, it is divisible by 3. 3 11s are 33. 3 2s are 6. 11 divided by 2. 2 5s are 10. 1 minus 0 equal to 1. Write in mixed fraction. Okay. 1 is a remainder, 5 is a quotient and 2 is a divisor. This is the answer. Next question is, firstly, change into improper fraction. 8 multiply 6 equal to 48. Add 1, 49. 49 upon 8. Add 16 multiply 6 equal to 96. Add 1, 97 upon 16. Children's denominator is not common. Find out the LCM. 8, 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 8s are 16. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 1 as it is, 2 1s are 2. LCM of 8 and 16 is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. That is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Children, 16 is a common denominator. Common denominator. Okay. Write 16 as a denominator. Okay. Again write 16 divided by 8. Multiply by 49. Add. Again write 16 divided by 16. Multiply by 97. Okay, 16 divided by 8, 2. Multiply 49, add 16 divided by 16, 1. Multiply 97 upon 16. 2 multiply 49 equal to 98. Add 1 multiply 97, 97 upon 16. 98 plus 97 equal to 195 upon 16. 195 divided by 16. 16 ones are 16. 9 minus 6 equal to 3. Write down 5. 16 twos are 32. 5 minus 2 equal to 3. 3 minus 3 equal to 0. 3 is a remainder. Write 3. 12 is a quotient. 16 is a divisor. This is the answer. Okay. Question number 2. Add 6 upon 25. Add 7 upon 25. Add 3 upon 25. Children, 6, 7, 3. 6, 7, 3 are the numerators, and 25 is the common denominator. Is the common denominator. Okay. Children, write the 25 as a denominator. Okay. 6 plus 7 plus 3. 6 plus 7 equal to 13 plus 3 upon 25. 13 plus 3 equal to 16 upon 25. This is the answer. Next question is 15 upon 10, add 19 upon 10, add 2 upon 10. Children, 15, 19, 2 are the numerators. Okay, and 10 is a common denominator. 10 is a common denominator. Write 10 as a denominator. Sum of the 15, 19 and 2. 15 plus 19 equal to 34 plus 2 upon 10. 34 plus 2 equal to 36 upon 10. This is the answer. Next question is 1 upon 2, add 1 upon 4, add 1 upon 8. Children, in this question, denominator is not common. Find out the LCM of 2, 4, 8. 2, 4, 8. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8. Again write 2, 1 as it is, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Again write 2, 1 as it is, 1 as it is, 2 ones are 2. LCM of 2, 4, 8 is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. LCM is 8. Children, 8 is a common denominator. 8 is a common denominator. Okay. Write 8 as a denominator. Again write 8 divided by 2 multiply by 1. Addition sign. Again write 8 divided by 4 multiply by 1. Addition sign. Again write 8 divided by 8 multiply by 1. 8 divided by 2, 4. Multiply 1, add 8 divided by 4 equal to 2 multiply 1. 8 divided by 8 equal to 1 multiply 1 upon में 8. Okay. 4 ones are 4. Addition sign. 2 multiply 1 equal to 2 plus 1 multiply 1 equal to 1 upon 8. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7 upon 8. This is the answer. Okay, children. Next question is 3 upon 4, add 1 upon 6, add 5 upon 12. Children, in this question, denominator is not common. 4, 6, 12. Find out the LCM of 4, 6, 12. 4, 6, 12. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12. Again write 2, 2 1s are 2, 3 as it is, 2 3s are 6. 1 as it is, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. LCM of 4, 6, 12 is 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So this 12 is a common denominator. 12 is a common denominator. Write 12 as a denominator. Again write 12 divided by 4 multiply by 3. Addition sign. Again write 12 divided by 6 multiply 1. Addition sign. 12 divided by 12 multiply by 5. 12 divided by 4 equal to 3 multiply 3. Add 12 divided by 6 2 multiply 1. Add 12 divided by 12 equal to 1 multiply 5 upon में 12. 3 multiply 3 equal to 9 plus 2 multiply 1 equal to 2 plus 1 multiply 5 equal to 5 upon 12 equal to 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 5 16 upon 12. Children, 16 and 12 it is divisible by 4. 4 4s are 16, 4 3s are 12, 4 upon 3. Now divide. Write 3, 4. 3 1s are 3, 4 minus 3 equal to 1. Children, 1 is a remainder, write 1. 1 is a quotient, 3 is a divisor. Your answer is 1 1 upon 3. Okay. Thank you.